Mary, Queen of Scots, was only 6 days old when her father, James V, died at Falkland Palace. James had fallen ill after being defeated at the Battle of Solway Moss, a battle where a Scottish army of around 15,000 men had been defeated by an English army of 3,000 men. Although James was not physically present at the battle, the loss was a complete humiliation, and it is said he suffered a nervous breakdown as a result. He retreated to Falkland Palace, where he then came down with a severe fever. On his deathbed, he was told by messenger of the birth of his daughter, Mary, who he had so hoped would be his son. It was said at the news, James wearily responded, "It came with a lass, it will pass with a lass." James was 30 years old when he died. His body was laid in the Chapel Royal at Falkland Palace, which was draped in black for 24 days before being buried in Holyrood Abbey.